Hello everyone, welcome to Educational Hub. NotebookLM just made creating presentations incredibly easy. With just one click, I turned my files into detailed, accurate slides. And the best part? It's completely free, thanks to Google. Let me walk you through how it works. First, sign in to NotebookLM using your Google account. Then either create a new notebook or open an existing one. Once inside, you'll notice the interface is divided into 3 sections. On the left, you'll find your sources. This can include PDFs, links, videos, and more. In the center, you interact with the AI. And on the right side, there's the Studio panel, where all tools and generated content appear. Now, there are 2 powerful features here: infographics and slide deck. The slide deck option is what creates presentations directly from your sources. But here's something most users overlook. Don't just click slide deck immediately. Instead, hit the small edit pen icon first. This opens a customization panel where you can control how your presentation is created. You can choose the format. Detailed works great if someone will read the slides, while presenter is better if you'll be speaking alongside them. Next, select the length of your presentation. You can also change the language if you want your slides in something different from your source material. Then comes the most important step: guiding the AI. Clearly describe your topic and what you want the presentation to focus on. After that, define your audience. Are they beginners, professionals, or students? This helps the AI adjust the complexity. You can even customize the visual style, whether you want something modern, business-focused, playful, or even specific color themes. Once everything is set, click Generate. Depending on your content, it usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes. And just like that, your presentation is ready. The level of detail, accuracy, and visuals is seriously impressive. If you want to download it, you can, but keep in mind it currently exports as a PDF file. Another great feature is language support. It doesn't just work in English. You can generate presentations in other languages as well, and the results are surprisingly accurate. I've tested many AI presentation tools over the past few years. Tools like Gamma typically work with a single document, but NotebookLM stands out because it combines multiple sources: PDFs, videos, audio, links, all into one presentation. That's why the depth of content is on another level. That said, there are still a couple of limitations. You can't preview or edit the outline before generation, and once the slides are created, you can't edit them inside NotebookLM yet. But since this feature is still in beta, there's a good chance Google will improve it soon. And remember, AI tools aren't just for presentations. You can do much more, like building apps using Google Gemini. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative video.